Here's a microclimate we have on the north side of the house. In this case, we have full shade. It essentially gets no sun at all during the summer and obviously none during the winter. It's moist, it's cool, and there's a certain group of plants that grow back here. The hostas, of course, they grow everywhere, and they do quite well back here, but we also have false Solomon seal, which is telling us what kind of situation we have in the soil, about the moisture, how specifically the environment is for it, for growing here. But there's a lot of other things we can do in this space, a lot of plants. One of my favorite, though, is growing mushrooms. So what we've been doing for the last few years is using oak logs and growing shiitake mushrooms. Now, shiitake mushrooms are used, in this case, by drilling holes in the log, putting in a plug with inoculant, putting some wax over the hole, and letting it sit. Maybe soak it for a while and then set them out. We inoculated these logs, we leave them out, and in our case, we just leave them out in the shade, exposed, and when it rains, they get soaked. And every few days after each rain, we'll look out the window and we'll have a harvest of shiitakes. And they don't all come at once. It's pretty amazing, and actually a great way that I like to harvest. We'll get maybe 5 or 6 harvests every summer for 3 years, as opposed to one big harvest that we have to deal with. So when we stretch out our harvest that way, we get a special treat every few months.